up the Army.
But this job's for Underdog.
Underdog can't do it.
Why not?
He feels fine when he sits down, but when he stands up, things spin around.
And so the army was sent out to fight the monster.
The Army's done for. Call off the Navy.
Well, this is no job for the Navy. This is a job for Underdog.
Underdog can't do it.
Why not?
He feels fine when he sits down, but when he stands up, things spin around.
And so the Navy steamed into action.
The Navy's done for. Call out the Air Force.
But this is no job for the Air Force. This is a job for Underdog.
But Underdog can't do it.
Why not?
He feels fine when he sits down, but when he stands up, things spin around.
And so the Air Force was called into action.
Hello everyone, I'm Huynh with Petitions Gaming, TDiSEntertainment, and BFW Productions and SOD Productions here. Of course, the clip you just saw was the knots around, and of course, I'm at home today, showing you how hot dog buns are heated up. I'm going to show you how to heat up a hot dog bun and assemble the hot dogs together. I already heated up some hot dogs, but I'm going to show you how to heat up the buns today, and of course, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the buns. So after the hot dogs are done, I'm going to show you how to heat up the buns. So this is the buns here. And of course, they are similar size. And of course, they're perfect for the hot dogs. Once the hot dogs are done, I'm going to pop them out. Oops. Let me show you how to heat up the buns too. So there are two ways we can heat this up. A pan with some butter, or an oven which is toasted quicker. I'll show you how to deal with the hot dog buns. And I'll show you how. Once the buns are in the oven, just press toast and increase up to 5 minutes of cooking time, and then start the oven. So it takes 5 minutes to cook. So these are the hot dogs that I cooked. So you better make sure they're perfectly hot and perfectly delicious. This needs 3 minutes to ensure hot dogs are cooked up and delicious. For the buns, I meant. I'll keep them warm. I think the buns are done. We'll sell them right now. So you just grab a hot dog, place it in, and put them together. Perfect. And then you can top it out with mustard or ketchup, depending on what you want. And this needs to stay in the bun. There, that's it. This is how you make hot dogs. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video of hot dogs, just like the ones at the ballpark or any other stadium like football or NASCAR racing. But you want to see a hot dog video just like others, just go to youtube.com and search up hot dogs and see how you can find out. You want to see more Sans Dragons or Ponting? I want to see them. But till then, I'll see you next time for another Cyber Legends Gaming walkthrough on Cyber Legends Gaming. Or May 25th for the Underdog Ghost Snow episode. And the June 18th one for the round one. I'll see you next time, everyone.